Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Huawei Nova 12 SE. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open and here click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And now you can close this ad, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.